They thought it was a game. Well, they still think it's a game. But I'm about to lay this down real quick. Young Cartel, SPR. It's ridiculous the way I be getting it. You slipping if you think I'm not flipping shit. You be missing, bitch, running your lips. You can get it, kid. I'll split your wig, slice your head in half. It's my mission, bitch. Damn, I'm killing this. I murder it. The beat gets murked when I'm spitting it. Yeah, I go in or I go hard. It's like a 16-wheeler crashing into a car. Your boy, a monster, something you can't see. Imagine your life if it was just a long dream. That would suck, but I really don't give a fuck. I'm still living my life to the fullest. I don't care who is the coolest. I'd rather be real than to chill with a bunch of lames that talk shit behind your back and try to destroy your name. But they tone change when you get to fame. They act like they your best friends when they trying to play the game. I say fuck them, trash this shit. If they start to trip, I slap that bitch. I smack that kid. The boy playing stupid like he don't know what's going on. But the truth is he's fake. You start to lose it. Start cruising. Try not to leave too many bruises. Cause if you beat him to death, then you will surely lose it. My bars drop. It's confusing. How do you keep up? I'm clueless. Can you explain? But this time speak up. I'm moving a little closer to sanity. I don't see how you can handle me. Far from normal. Not even close to sane. My brain should be locked up in a cage. I'm insane. I guess that's the message here. I'll be back, please don't die with fear. Life's a road, so I watch where you steer. Cause you can get stuck in the spotlight like a deer. I don't need Uzis or stitches. All I need is magnums and a whole bunch of bitches. SPR Straight Paper Records, man. Woo! It's been a while. I'm going in.